real estate agents. You know, there might be one thing that you're doing that's costing you business and you're probably not even aware of it. Check this out. All right, so if you're anything like me, whenever I go out, I don't care if it's Denny's or a 5-star, Michelin star rated restaurant on the Strip, there's one thing that I need my server to do, and that is write my order down. And I'm not saying I'm very specific. It's not a very difficult order, and I'm sure the server's memory is awesome. However, that doesn't negate the fact that from the completion of my order all the way until I get my food, I'm in my head about it, thinking they probably messed this up. Oh, I don't get to go out anymore. You know, I've got a little one, so it's just like, I want this to be perfect. And then even if it comes out and it's absolutely perfect, I still have that 30 minutes where I was stressing about it. Now, I know I'm a little bit psychotic like this, but you need to put yourself in the shoes of your consumer or your client and understand they're probably thinking the same thing. Now, a lot of agents, it's 2023, they like to, look up the notes of properties on their phone. I get that. However, your clients may not understand what you're doing. For all they know, you could be swiping away on Tinder or tweeting away on Twitter, okay? So, it's the optics of things. So if you have the printouts instead, the MLS printouts, and you're making diligent notes, you're crossing off the ones that aren't working, you're numerically ranking them, okay, this gives them peace of mind. It reduces the anxiety. So even though you have a phenomenal memory, I'm sure you're a great real estate agent, understand the optics, and your client may not see it that way. So in the future, get off your phone, take your printouts, make notes. I promise you, it'll go a long way.